Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we will discuss another interesting topic in meta ads, and that is website conversion campaign. So in today's video I would like to know how you can create a campaign and redirect the visitor directly to your landing page, and if they are taking any action, like if they are filling up the form by landing on that particular page, you will able to track that thing in your meta ads account. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. So first of all, as you can see, now we are on the Facebook ad dashboard, where we are able to have option of creating a conversion campaign. So the first thing which we need to do is we need to check whether our event are working perfectly or not. So first of all, I just will go to the all tool section, and here we need to go to the event manager option. I will click on that and it will redirect me to this page. And here in the overview section you can see all our event are already created, like page view, website, book now, initiate checkout, add payment info, purchase. So all the things are already there. We have already implemented the pixel on the website and created the event as well. If you want to see how you can create an event and the pixels for your website and how you can implement it, there is another video on my YouTube channel. You can search it, and with the help of that you can create those events. So the events are already created. Now we just need to create a campaign. So first what I will do is I will click on the create button. Once I click on it, it will give me different options like awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion and sales. So our objective is to get lead from the customer if they are redirecting to our website. Like if they are redirecting to our website and click on the book now button and book the services, we need to track that, and we have already implemented the conversion tracking on that. So now you just need to click on the lead objective, and after that once I click on the continue button, it will lead me to the campaigns level. Here we just need to set our daily budget which we need to add for our campaign. Now we have set it the $25 budget, and after that the main thing which we need to do in this campaign is coming on the ad set level. Here you need to choose your particular basically lead event very carefully, so that you are able to get the exact data which you want from the campaign. As my main I want to redirect the people to our website, so our conversion location should be website, and once I click on it, it will showcase the data set, basically the pixel which I have already implemented on the website. As you can see, this pixel is implemented, so it will showcase me here like this one, and we have already implemented the conversion API, so it will showing you the conversion API one. And rest, after that once I choose the pixel, it will ask me to choose the event, which particular event I want to use. So what I will do is, as I want to choose the website book now event, because I have created that for this particular button. So what I will do is I will choose it here, and after that you just need to set your audience. As I need a broad audience, so I have already added the location. You can set the audience as per your convenience, but basically the thing is we need to choose our conversion event and data set very carefully, so that we can track the accurate data. After that you just need to go to the ad section, where you can put the ad, basically the ad which you want to show to the visitors. As I will manually upload it, and this is the targeted landing page. I will use it in the website option, and after that if you want to give your number you can do it as well. As I don't want to give my number. After that, in the setup creative option, you can click on the image, and in the media section you will find which image you want to target. As I want, let's use this one for now. And as you can see now, our conversion event, here you can just put your basically the headline or primary text which you want, and after that you can publish it, and here you just need to put your headline. So after that, after creating the ad, everything, your ads look like this. As the conversion event is already set up, this is our conversion event, and our ad is set up. We have started the images as well. We are using browser images for now. So here we have added the URL where we want to target our people, redirect our people. So this is how we create a lead conversion objective. Once you publish it, then if somebody click on your ad and land on that particular page and book your services with the help of this particular button, it will showcase you in the result section. As you can see, I am running multiple campaigns, and here are the results on which particular campaign we are getting which kind of lead. So everything will be set it here, and you can track the performance here, and after that you can optimize your campaign accordingly. So in this way you can create a website conversion event campaign, and you will able to redirect your visitor directly to the website, so they can take any action and you can get leads and grow your business. So this is how we can create, and I think you can easily do it at your end as well. And if you have any query and concern, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.